video mode so that I'm able to see what you're signing. So video on, but mic off so that there is no echo. 3, 4, 4, then 5, 5, 5, 5. Higher, then we go to 6. So for 6, you interchange. So if you're using your right hand, I go to my left hand. So this one is already 5. I want to sign number 6. Number 6. So 6. 6. So 5 and 1. That becomes 6. 6. 7. So I just continue adding more fingers. 7. So 6. Nikaongeza moja. 7. I add another one. 8. I also add another one. 9. 9. And then 10. 10. Yeah. 10. So I want us to sign number 11 to 19. Higher. Be keen here. So 11 we sign as 10 and 1. 11. 11. So 11, 10 and 1. 12, 10 and 2. So forth and so forth. So we continue 13, 10 and 3, 14, 10 and 4, 15, 10 and 5, 16, 10 and our number 6. You remember we've done number 6? 6. Yeah. 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20, 2, 0. Sorry, I was supposed to start with 0, 1, 2, but this is 0, 0. You remember our alphabet? Yeah, it's the same as 0. Yeah, 0. So 20, we sign it as and 0. Now from 21 kwenda juu, it's a matter of repetition. Remember we've done 1 to 19. So it's a matter of repetition. So we have 21. So 21 is 2 and 1. 22, 2, 2. Yeah, 23, 2 and 3. Now it's a matter of repetition. 24, 2 and 4. 25, 2 and 5. 26, 2 and your number 6. 27, 2 and 7. 28, 2 and 8. 29, 2 and 9. 30, 3, 0. 3, 0. That is 30. So I can't sign all the numbers. So it's a matter of repetition. 31, 32, so 40, 4, 0, 50, 5, 0, 60, your number 6, and 0, 90, 9, 0. Now we go to 100. So you sign 1 and 2 zeros. 100. 1, 2 zeros. Yeah, that is how you sign 100. Maybe you're wondering, how do you sign 135? Again, a matter of repetition. 1, 3, and 5. 216, 216, 2, and then yeah, 16. So 216, 216. 230, 2, 3, and 0. Yeah. Now we go to greater numbers. That is like 400,000, 300,000, 500,000. How do you sign them? So we sign 250,000. That is 300,000. We sign 300,000 has 300,000 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Yeah. So, and of course, in between kuna mahali kuna comma. So 300,000. So you sign it as 3, 2 zeros, and then comma. For those bigger numbers zenye ziko na comma, lazima uweke comma. So 300,000, 3, 2 zeros, and a comma. That's it. I don't have to sign the rest of the zeros. Hizo zeros zingine zimebaki. Why? Because the comma already inanionyesha, that is, I have put one comma. You'll get to know why I have one comma with me. One. So one comma, that means it's 300,000. Two commas, yeah, that is maybe 10,000. So let me just dwell on 300,000 first. So 300,000, two zeros and a comma. 500,000, it's the same way. So you say 5, two zeros, comma. Yeah, you don't have to sign the rest of the zeros. We have 900,000. So it's your number 9, two zeros and a comma. 900,000. So we've said 9, two zeros, comma. That is 900,000. Then we have 1 million. 1 million. This is the easiest, though it's the one of the biggest numbers, but it's the easiest to sign. So we sign 1 million. A million has 6 zeros, so it has 2 commas. So 1 and 2 commas. You don't have to sign the zeros. 1, 2 commas. Definitely. I understand we are all learned, right? Tumesoma. Yeah, so 1, 2 commas. Definitely I'll know that is 1 million. Inakujanga tu automatically. We have 10 million, 10, 2 zeros. That is 2 commas rather, 10 million. 6 million, 6, 2 commas, that is 6 million. So for billion, we sign, if it's 10 billion, you say 10, we use the first initiative of billion, that is B, billion. 10 billion, the first alphabet of billion is B, billion. 6 billion, 10 billion. You remember our alphabet B? Yes. So 2 billion, 1 billion, yeah? 30 billion, 6 billion, 9 billion. That is basically how we sign for the numbers. So for numbers, it's a matter of repetition. As long as you've understood number 1 to 19, then you're good to go. And also, as long as you've understood how you sign numbers that have, those big numbers that have commas, you must aware the commas. If it's 1 comma, if it's 1 and 1 comma, I know that is 1,000. Yeah, if it's 1 and 2 commas, that is 1 million. Sawa sawa. 300,000, 3, 2 commas, 300,000. And yeah, unless somebody has a question on numbers before I proceed to the next topic. Any question on numbers? Okay, so I'm also saying 300,000. So I've said 300,000. You've even written it correctly. It's 3, 2 zeros and a comma. I don't have to sign the rest of the zeros. So 3, 2 zeros, comma, 300,000. Maybe it's 196,000. And then nyuma iko na zero zingine. So we have 196, comma. I'll know that is 196,000. Yeah, that is how you sign them. Hata inaweza kuwa 196,421. So 196,000, 421. Yeah, a matter of repetition of numbers. Kama hiyo number haina, it has other numbers before it, then you have to sign those numbers. But if it's zeros only, you don't have to sign the zeros. Yeah, that is why I guess I should have made myself clear on that. So anyone else on a question regarding numbers before I proceed to the next topic? Yes, Mother Musimbi, yeah, go ahead.
Yes, thank you. I was just wondering, what about a trillion? If at all
I,
they start with zillion or
yeah, I'm
10
not
billion
if
for the
we have,
best of
okay. I'm not sure if we have trillion, zillion, yeah. So you use trillion, T. The first alphabet is T. Trillion, 2 trillion. Okay, I've never heard of that, but trillion. Hi, zillion, I'm not sure. Yeah, so Z, zillion. Yeah, that is how you sign them.
Okay,
Another one.
thank you.
Okay. On numbers. So I'm going to proceed on, we have done, did we do greetings yesterday? Is it this class?
No.
What if a number has a decimal point? Oh, thank you for reminding me. I had forgotten. So if a number has a decimal point 2, basically what you do, unatumia hiki kidole, kinaitwa the pointer finger. Yeah, pointer. So it's 10 point, unaeka hako kadot, point 2. 10.2. Sawa sawa. So the numbers with decimal point, you place a decimal point. Point. Same to numbers with a percentage. You know that what is it called? There's that sign for percentage. Slash, a 0 up and a 0 down. Yeah, 2%. Yeah, you write it as you write it on the same way you write it or type it on your book or on your laptop. So 3%. So percent slash 0 up and like a 0 down. Yeah, 5/%. Yeah, 6%. Same to numbers with the fractions, 2/3. So over unaichora 2 hewani. Over 2/3. 5/10. Yeah. So you have numbers with decimal point, numbers with percentages. Kuna numbers zingine. The same for time. Which time? Oh, time. Oh, time ya saa. Like, what's the time? Yes, it's still the same. They're still numbers. So if you're asked what's the time, like right now it's 6:22. So you sign 6:22. 22, 2 and 2. So that is 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, yeah, and 5. Yeah, so you say time 6:22. And it's in the evening. We already did this yesterday evening. So 6:22. But for time, you don't have to put those 2 dots. Yeah, you say evening. Ama unasema tu it's time 6. Time, what's the time? 6. Yeah. Yes, who?
Yes, I was asking, does the colon exist? Like in
The,
the community, the colon that is between the time. I've heard you mention you don't have to like sign the colon. That is like 23, there's like 6, then colon, then 23.
no, you don't have to sign the colon on time. Yeah.
Oh,
You don't.
okay.
Yes. So yeah, yes, Sharon. Sharon, go ahead, ask your question. Yeah, I go to Hannah. Hannah, your hand is still up, but you're not communicating. Sawa sawa. So I'll proceed to so you've said it's not this class tulifanya greetings. Have we done like good morning, good evening, good afternoon? I don't know why I'm getting confused. I've had a class.
We have not.
Okay. All right. So oh yes, I remember we did yesterday finger spelling. Yeah. So I want us to do on greetings. How do you greet somebody? So we start with hello. So you can use hello. That is if you're communicating, maybe I'm communicating with mother alone. It's me and mother. I tell her hello or hi, hello. But now if it's a large congregation or a large gathering, you say hello. You use both hands. Hello, how are you? Hello, hi. Yeah. If it's a large gathering, a congregation, that is more than 2 people, unawasalimia hivi, hello, habari zenyu. Yeah. hello, hi. If it's me and mother alone, hello. It's among the two of us. It's two of us who are communicating. We say hello. Then we have the sign for good. So we say good, good. The sign for good is constant. It doesn't change. So it remains good, good, good. Now I want to teach you how to say someone good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So we have good. Keep in mind, good doesn't change. Good, good. Then we have the sign for morning. So it's morning. Sawa sawa. Morning, morning, morning. Yeah. Morning, morning, morning. Okay. Then we have noon, noon. Haya, let me just relate noon na jua ndo tuelewe. Sawa. So noon, noon. So at noon, the sun is usually directly opposite to us. Noon, iko hapa, yeah. But noon. And then afternoon, jua inashuka ama inateremka kidogo. I'm not sure if it's the right Swahili language, but as long as you understand, yeah. So noon, afternoon, jua inashuka kidogo ama inateremka, afternoon. And then we have evening, ishashuka hata huioni. Yeah, okay, unaiona kidogo kwa umbali, but evening. So we've said noon, jua iko hapa katikati. Then afternoon, 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 evening, evening, jua inashuka. Noon, afternoon, jua inateremka kidogo. So pia sisi venye jua inateremka tunateremka nayo. Evening, evening. Like right now, jua iko, not really. Yeah, evening. So noon, just grab that. You grab that with the concept of the sun. Noon, afternoon, evening. Okay, and then we have night, night. So it's night. Okay, mawingu yanapitana, kunakuwa na giza. Yeah, night. So you can, night has two signs. So you can choose open palms facing you. Now the signer, me, the signer, night. Or open palms facing the audience. Now you, the audience. Assume you have an audience there. Night, night. But there is no, you can use both at once. Use one, the one that you're comfortable with. Okay, use one, the one that you're comfortable with. For me, I prefer night. It's more comfortable for me. If you feel to sign this way, well and good. It's the same sign. The meaning is still the same, night. But night, night. So we've said morning, morning, afternoon, noon, afternoon, afternoon, then evening, evening. Remember yesterday we did days of the week, tukasema Sunday, Sunday, but noon, noon. Don't get confused. Sunday, but noon. So we've said morning, morning. So morning ndo jua inajitayarisha itokeleze. Yeah, I'm not good in Swahili, guys, so you have to forgive me. So morning, morning, then noon, noon, afternoon, then evening, and then we have night or night. And then I said we have the greeting hello or hello, hi. Yeah, yes. So we are going to include good morning, good evening, good night, sawa sawa. So we say good morning. I said the sign for good doesn't change. Good morning. Good afternoon. There is no good noon. Noon, it's noon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. And then we have good night. Good night. Or good night. I've told you can choose the one that you feel comfortable in. Yeah, but I prefer this one. Good night. Okay, good night. You can see the way it's very easy. Ni rahisi sana watu wangu, si ndio? Yeah, and those are the greetings. Then, yes, mother, you have a question?
Yes, I have a question. When you're signing like for example, morning or evening without the good, your left hand, where is it? Because I'm confused with the days of the week. Are you putting your hands the way you are putting for the days? If you're just signing that is morning or evening, or where's your left hand?
My left hand is just here. It's on my lap.
It's not part of the signing. It's not like the days of the week.
Yeah, it's not like days of the week, but here kwa greeting, my left hand is just on the lap. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So it's not part of it. Because I've
Okay.
noticed when you sign the good, it's like it's there in a way. Yes, good morning.
For good, iko. Ndo
Yes,
hii.
is there.
Good.
Combination of good morning. It's
Now
still there.
good. Yes, it's still there. Good morning.
But if
Good
it's
morning.
morning alone, it is not there.
It's still there. Morning.
Wrong
Morning.
example. If it's afternoon, it's still there.
Oh,
Okay,
afternoon.
it's not there. Okay, thank you.
Not there. So afternoon, evening. But you know, now it's guiding me. It's helping me to know afternoon and evening. So it has to be there. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, that is how basically we sign greetings, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Yeah, unless Hannah, your hand is still, so go ahead. All right. Since we don't have any question, I'll just give somebody an opportunity to just show to us what we've been doing since Monday. Before I don't want to proceed with another topic for today, that we'll do it tomorrow. So just anyone, mother, you're so active. Just lead us on days of the week.
I am sorry. I wish I could be able to. In a place whereby I'm not able to sign. There's a
Oh,
bit of darkness I am, but I'm following. Maybe next time I can sign. I'm
ah,
sorry.
it's all right. As long as you're following me in the class, that is my happiness. So somebody else, a volunteer. Yes, Sharon, your hand is up. Just unmute yourself so that I'm able to hear you.
Question. I wanted to ask what if a number has a fraction like 2/3? How do you sign it?
So I did it. That is on fractions, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So said over that if it's like 2/3. So we've done numbers. We did 2 over, you know that slash.
Oh,
You just,
yeah, yeah. Mm.
yes, slash 2/3. So for fraction, place it over.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Wanjala, I can see you're on. Hey, Wanjala, unapotea haraka bana. And I guess I can call it a wrap. So we meet. Hannah, your hand is still up. I'm choosing you, but I can't hear you. You're not unmuting yourself. Okay. I can see your hand is up, but I can't hear you, Hannah. Yeah, so what I'm going to do right now, we are going, Stacy will post something on the class wall, so you'll try and assess yourself there. You can send in your feedback, your answers there on the class wall. And then since nobody has a question, let's do this same time tomorrow, same time, same place. Thank you so much. Keep on practicing and remember with sign language, we are all equal. Shalom, shalom, and good night. Okay, Jennifer, your hand is up. Go ahead. I was winding up the class. All right, Jennifer doesn't. I don't know why. Okay, I can't hear you unless you unmute yourself. Sawa, you can as well posting that question in the class wall. Yeah, I or Madam Stacy will answer you. So let's meet tomorrow same time. Thank you so much. Shalom and good night.